Welcome to Viridis 3D here in Woburn, Massachusetts. Behind me is the RAM system, our robotic additive manufacturing. We use an ABB robot with a head attached to it that is dispensing sand and a modified pure end binder to create copes, drags, and cores for the foundry industry. The robot will go fetch sand from a silo and then come back and deposit up to 2.5 inches per hour, so you have a very quick, efficient turnaround in your molding technology. This is the result of our 3D printing with the robotic additive manufacturing process. Robotic additive manufacturing is going to transform the foundry industry due to the robustness of the system and the ability to go from a concept design to printing to pouring all within a few days. This is revolutionary in the foundry industry.